Hey guys, welcome to my very first studio vlog. I don't know why I've been wanting to do studio vlogs pretty much all year, but today I just felt it in my heart that I just had to record and put out my first studio vlog today, so welcome. If you guys don't know, my name is Nem, and I am a stationery designer and artist, and I own an online stationery boutique where I sell handmade journals and greeting cards. And so what we're doing today is working on some of the soft cover journals. And so here, as you can see, this is my journal Pirouette, and I make these journals entirely by hand. I design them in Photoshop, I get them printed on cardstock, I sew the pages in, and I add the jewels and the lace and everything. I'm restocking Pirouette, and so I'm working on making another batch of journals. And as you can see, this is my new fabric shelf. But I'm kind of renovating my office right now, so I'll show you guys that later. But this is Pirouette. She's a soft cover journal. I designed these soft cover journals as like basically journals that you can sort of pop in your purse. You take it to school, take it to work. They're kind of just there and handy for your on-the-go brain dumps, notes, and to-do lists. I wanted something that can basically be portable. I also sell hardcover journals, but yeah, these ones are kind of my everyday doodling, brainstorming journal. And the reason I like to hand make my own journals is because I cannot stand buying those plain Mead, you know, the brand Mead notebooks from Walmart, and they're so plain, and I have like a dozen of like half-filled ones just lying around my house, and I just never find the motivation to keep up with them, because anytime I open them I just feel like I'm back in grade 8 writing an essay, and I just hate that feeling. But these are so cute and they're so dreamy, and so they just make me feel happy and inspired and just very excited to use them. You can shop Pirouette and my other soft cover journals using the link in my bio, or just go straight to richgirlsonline.com and you can shop the entire fall journal collection. So guys, this right here is actually my new bar card that I got, and I'm turning it into a vibe card. And I don't know if you've ever seen that HRH video where she talks about her vibe card strategy and how she made her bar cart into a vibe card, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. You guys can see I put my new Ralph's tea set, I've got some pearls, I've got my favorite little cake cutter, my martini glass, and a couple of other like items that I feel like give the vibe. I'm still working on it, but I'll show you guys when I put it together. And so basically this is the state of my office right now. I know it is a mess. I am reorganizing and renovating everything. I went traveling over the summer and I bought so many new things, and I've gotten new organizers over the last few days, and I just need to get my life together. Once it's set, I can actually film and do more there. After that, I went ahead and got some mail. I think I have new pins to unbox later, but we'll see. We had steak for dinner. Guys, I'm trying to eat so clean because the winter arc, okay, has commenced, and my body, okay, we're staying tight for winter. This is one of my favorite candles right now from Walmart, actually, Yankee Candle. It is amber and sandalwood, and it just smells like my boyfriend. I know that sounds weird, but like, it just smells like the warm embrace of a man.
That thirst is real.
Weird, but let's move on. Okay guys, so these are the pins that came in the mail today from the manufacturer. So as you guys know, these are the pins that I use on my journals. If you've seen any of the journals on my IG page, you guys know I love to use pins, I love to use patches, I love to use lace fabrics, like all different kinds of things just to make the journals pop. You can again go look at my journal collection on richgirlsonline.com. But I recently actually got this little circle thingy from Michael's to sort my pins, and I've kind of been loving it. I went back and got another one for my colored pins, and so maybe I'll post a sorting ASMR video later this week. It's just very aesthetically satisfying. And finally, guys, we're going to end off the night with just editing some content. Actually, particularly editing this very studio vlog right here. This is actually me setting up the editing setup that I'm actually doing right now for this vlog. Kind of weird, kind of meta, love it. But yeah, guys, this is basically a day in my life as a stationery designer and online business owner. Yeah, many more to come. Bye, guys.